Yo, what's up, Primoz?
We're going sailing today.
Hey, Jasmine. Hey, Arina. What's up, Titian?
What's up,
Our captain.
Just leaving the marina onto the ocean.
Hello. Hey, what's up? And this is Jacob.
How you doing, man?
Doing fine, man. We're leaving the harbor. Look at this. We got wind around us. Ah, beautiful people on this boat.
Welcome on board on our beautiful ship Christina 2. We're right now random ass bay somewhere in Croatia. Plan for the day is like go further to some super remote bay. Spend there the night. Hope not to crash into something. Keep the boat alive.
Well, we just stopped on some random island. It's like the first island in Croatia. Second day of sailing. We are on the island, so it's called Belgrade. We're gonna grab some food. We were sailing the whole day. It's pretty fun. We are freeing the propeller.
There's a rope in our boat.
We have like minor problem again. A rope tangled around the propeller. The guys in the back are just fixing it right now. We gave them the bread knife again to cut through the ropes.
Yesterday we arrived to Mali Lošinj.
Yeah, in the evening.
In the evening, really late in the evening. It was already pitch black. And today we were departing to Susak, where a friend of mine recommended some good spots where you can do cliff diving. That's gonna be fun, man. I'm hyped.
Fuck yeah.
We see dolphins.
Hundreds of dolphins around us. Left, side, back, there. Awesome. It's my fifth trip in Croatia sailing. It's the first time I see hundreds of dolphins. It's the first dolphins I ever saw. Even I jumped before in with the goggles on and I saw one from the left to the right. Lucky day. Let's go.
Last day.
We arrived in Zadar. We're gonna go explore some. We're gonna grab some food, enjoy our evening.
I also like it went full circle because in the first night we came here to Zadar.
Yeah.
And now like we explored like all of Croatia. And now the last night again to Zadar. Like
sailing is really fun, man. Like my favorite part is definitely like where you sleep in kind of like the nature, you know, like on the water. You can hear all these like waves and everything is like rocking and birds, and I think you really like sleeping in nature. It's like one of the best things ever.
yeah, man. Let's grab some food. Ice cream.
We're refueling the tanks before I check in at the marina and hand the boat back.
This was the trip.